Good morning, good afternoon, good night, Ms. Tita. Well, from PT SML, we want to introduce our sales selling management strategy by PT SML. About SML. SML is one of Indonesia's leading property developers with over 40 years on experience. The company develops large-scale residential, commercial, and mixed-use projects, including BSD City, Kota Delta Mas, and Grand City. It focuses on innovation, sustainability, and creating modern, livable communities. The concept selling. Selling is a process of communicating, persuading, and guiding potential customer to understand the value of product or service with of the goal encourage them to make a purchase. It involves identifying customer needs, presenting solution, and building a relationship that lead to successful transaction. There is four PTSML used for the concept selling. The first one is product selling. How PTSML is introduce the product like the construction, the house, and all the living section to the consumer. Next one is relationship selling. Relationship selling is how they make the future connection to the consumer to the long future term. The third one is consultative selling. How the PTSML use encourage to the people or the consumer to they ask about the PTM SML itself. And the last one is value-based selling. PTSMLs sells about the future things. So PTSMLs give the consumer about the future plan in the area and all the future investment in the best selling. Next. Next one is selling implementation. Selling implementation by PTSML is divided by two. The product presentation. The sales team highlight the key advantage of Grand City, including its strategic location, integrate city-scale facilities, strong security system, and high investment value. They present this benefits through various tools such as show units, virtual tours, and digital brochures to give potential buyers a realistic and engaging understanding of the project. The next one is value communication. The sales team highlights Grand City long-term value, including property appreciation, modern living environment, strong transportation access, and comprehensive area facilities. They also present clear comparison with competitors to emphasize Grand City's advantage in the market. So next one is sales management. What is sales management? Sales management is process of planning, organizing, directing, and controlling a company's sales activities to achieve sales target and build long-term customer relationship. And this thing, how PTSMLs use their sales management. The first one is managing the full cycles. PTSMLs use like Hulu to Hillier. So they connect all from the top to the bottom of the people in the sales management itself. Next one is training of salespeople. They train all the salespeople to can communicate to the people or the consumer to buy and engage to consumer to buy the properties. The third one is overcoming sales challenge. So the sales peoples have a challenge itself like mood swings and how they live in the daily things. So PTSMLs have a challenge when the overcoming to the salespeople itself. The fourth one is responding to market and digital. This how PTSMLs take a risk in the sales management. They respond to the market and digital in the globalization. So they use like app and connect to the digital about the selling and how they take the marketing itself. And the last one is sales performance trends. They use sales performance trends to see how the salespeople and how the company make a profit itself. So in five like in the five in the 5 years, Sinarmas from the 2020 until 2025, they take 30% from the 20 in the 2020 until 2021, and then in the 2025 they take 800 billion rupiah to take the sales performance trends itself. Next.
Okay, for this slide, I will explain how SML handles their sales planning. The company starts by setting monthly and quarterly targets, which are based on real sales trends and the growth they achieve in the past few years, especially after the pandemic recovery. They divide their market into the three main segments: retail buyers, corporate clients, and larger industrial or investor groups. Each segment requires a different approach. When it comes to selling strategies, the team always focus on highlight the strengths of their product compared to competitors. For promotions, they use a mix of digital channels like Instagram, TikTok, and property apps, and also conventional methods such as billboard and property e- exhibitions. They also make market forecasts for each city where they operate, such as Balikpapan, Samarinda, and Makassar. To maximize opportunities, they don't only stay local but expand their coverage to nearby cities as well. Next. Okay, next is how the sales team is organized. This structure is very clear, starting from the division head, uh, Limjan Tambunan, followed by the sales manager, supervisor, and then the sales executives. Each role has its own responsibilities. Sales territories are also divided based on project location, but they don't limit themselves to one area. They also reach out to surrounding cities like Surabaya, Tarakan, Jakarta, and others to widen their market reach. Each sales member has specific KPIs. The main focus is converting general leads into hot leads and eventually into actual buyers. Sales also works closely with the marketing team. Marketing provides all the promotional materials while sales focus on converting those prospects into real transactions. Next. Okay, for the staffing part, the company looks for people who have strong communication skill and a resilient mindset, because the nature of sales can be very dynamic and challenging. Training is done almost every day through internal briefings, and sometimes they bring in external consultant to help with negotiation skills or selling techniques. There is also weekly coaching to track progress, adjustment strategies, and maintain the team's motivation. Lastly, performance evaluations are done regularly by reviewing KPIs and checking the quality of their follow-ups. The goal is to ensure continuous improvement and consistent performance from the team. Next.
So now is PTSML sales technique use. So PTSML use field selling or direct visits. It's like sales representative meeting customer in person to build trust and close deal. Second is cross-selling. It's offer complementary or related product to increase total purchase value. Third is digital selling, using digital platform, social media, and digital tools to reach and convert customers. The last is upselling. It encourage customers to upgrade to higher value products or package. So next is PTSML supporting technology. First is digital marketing for lead generation. Online marketing channels such as social media, email, and targeted ads are used to attract potential customer and convert them into qualified leads efficiently. The second is mobile application for faster sales process. Mobile apps help sales teams manage data, process order, and complete transaction in real time, improving speed, accuracy, and overall sales efficiency. Next is the challenge for PTSML. First is high market competition. The market is crowded with many similar providers, making differentiation and continuous innovation essential to maintain market share. Second is changing customer needs. Customer expectation change quickly due to technology and lifestyle shift, requiring companies to adapt their product and service rapidly. The third is inconsistent sales performance. Sales results vary across teams or region caused by difference in skill, market condition, and customer segments, making performance management challenging. The last is customer retention remain a key focus. Keeping existing customer loyal is difficult as they have many alternatives requiring stronger engagement, consistent service, and loyalty initiative. So for the solution is first, continuous sales skills training, regular training program to improve sales technique, communication skill, and product knowledge. Second is digitalization of the sales process, implementing digital tools and platforms to streamline workflows, reduce manual tasks, and increase efficiency. Last is customer loyalty programs, initiatives designed to reward repeat customer and strengthen long-term relationship. So I think that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.